Welcome to Daily Tax Savings. This is Tony Novak here to share a few points on saving taxes and staying out of tax trouble. Today's topic is lazy bookkeeping. But before I go into that, I want to just mention that yesterday's topic was the risks of having two or more W-2s. And it just so happened tonight I finished 4 tax returns, which is unusual for me because I don't usually do um, simple 1040 tax returns. I'm normally involved in ones that take multiple days for a business. But in any event, I had 4 easy ones to do tonight, and 2 of them were young people with higher incomes who changed jobs and therefore got 2 W-2s. And each employer calculated the taxes based on if that was their only job for the year. But if you put the 2 together, they were in a higher tax bracket, and both of them were disappointed that they owe money instead of getting a refund. So I'm just emphasizing again, it's something to look out for. It appears to particularly hurt young people who are earning good wages, but changing jobs, which happens more and more nowadays. So I'm just mentioning that again. But anyway, let's talk about today's topic, and that is lazy bookkeeping. So in the old days, I would say that lazy bookkeeping used to be throw all your receipts into a pile or an envelope or a box and hope that a bookkeeper can sort them out. And if you get in any tax trouble, you can use that paper evidence. Well, that's really not the case. You can't afford to pay a bookkeeper to sort through a box of receipts, and certainly a state auditor or IRS auditor is not going to look through your pile of papers. That's just a simple misconception. But what you can do, what is way more effective, is to simply automatically have your bank transactions loaded into an accounting ledger that you don't have to lift a finger. It can be done automatically. QuickBooks and other tax programs do that automatically. And so even if your bookkeeping isn't impeccable, even if things aren't categorized correctly, we have captured all of the transactional data, and that provides a hard and very credible trail of evidence if there's ever a question or an audit situation. So that's my advice. If you only do one thing in your bookkeeping because for whatever reason it's too expensive, too time consuming, you don't feel like it's worth it, whatever, do that. Capture your transactions. And the nice thing is that the software to do that is down to only $100 a year. It'll cost you $100 and a couple of clicks to set that up, and that can be done automatically. So would welcome hearing your thoughts, comments on this, or if you want to track me down and talk one-on-one, that's easy to do. Find me at taxproblems.cpa. And I'll be back tomorrow with another tax saving minute.